guys, welcome to my channel Lekki Mechanical Lectures. Today I brought a new updates regarding PhD admission in IIT Gandhinagar. Already the PhD admission is over, but they are now published a new notice regarding a special round of PhD admission, which is currently ongoing in a specific research area in some discipline. More information can be found in the website of respective discipline. You can check out the special research areas. Here it is showing. You can show by clicking here, opening documents, wait. Yeah, so these all are the discipline. Computer science and engineering. Also they have mentioned the research areas in which you can pursue your PhD. Then physics, material engineering, chemical engineering, mechanical, chemistry, earth science, then electrical, biological engineering, humanity and social sciences, and civil engineering. So these all are the departments where the special round of PhD admission is going on. And regarding the dates, you can see here it is mentioned that IIT Gandhinagar is looking for bright and dedicated young scholars interested in research to join us as a PhD scholars. Currently, IIT Gandhinagar offers PhD program in biological engineering, chemical, chemistry, civil, cognitive sciences, then computer science and engineering, earth science, electrical engineering, history, language and literature, material engineering, mathematics, mechanical engineering, philosophy, in physics, political science, psychology, social epidemiology, and sociology. Prospective students satisfying the eligibility criteria are encouraged to acquaint themselves with the research area of our faculty members for suitable match of interest. IIT Gandhinagar also offers a start yearly PhD fellowship with additional financial support for exceptionally qualified undergraduate students from selected colleges, mainly IITs or NITs, top 5. IIT Gandhinagar considering for a startup yearly PhD program. These all are the important dates. 24th August 2021 is the last day to apply here. Then on 27 they will announce the shortlisted candidate for interview. On 31st August to September they will conduct online interview. Then on 15th September 2021 the result announcement will be taken. Then from 11th of October they are conducting of classes. Their date of commencement, maybe they will conduct the classes from that. This is the link. First what you have to do, you have to click on national PG application. Then this is the welcome to PG admission portal. If you have already applied here earlier, then you must have user ID and password. Then by clicking on login you can apply here. This is the email ID and password you put out from which email ID you have earlier registered in this IIT Gandhinagar for admission. Or if you are new user, then you can click on register. Then they will ask you name, email ID, then captcha you have to enter, then register account. After that one email will be sent to you to confirm your ID. By confirming you will get your user ID and password, and you can proceed for the application. Here you can see eligibility criteria by clicking on this link. This is not working, but yeah, they have already given eligibility criteria. 55% marks in MA, MSc, BTech, MTech or equivalent degree in appropriate branches. Above mentioned eligibility criteria is minimum at institute level. Means if they will get sufficient number of application of higher percentage, then they won't consider this for 55%. For discipline wise minimum eligibility criteria, please click here. The discipline use higher cutoff level for shortlisting besides giving due consideration to the way questions are answered in the application form. Candidate belonging to SC/ST category would be eligible for relaxation as per norms in the selected criteria. You can see discipline wise. Here they will in the drive it will be shown. It's opening. wait. Till now it's not open. Again I have to click try, then now it will be open. This is the final eligibility criteria. You can see for biological at least 60% marks, for or 6 CGPA on the scale of 10 in MSc Bioscience, Biochemistry, Chemistry, Zoology, Botany, and if you have BTech, MTech, then you must have your BTech, MTech in Biochemical, Biotech, in Bioinformatics, Biophysics, Biomaterial or Biomedical Engineering or equivalent degree and related program. For chemical also they will set the criteria 60% and relax for by 5% for SC/ST and physically disabled candidate. Chemistry same criteria, but they have applicant must have qualified NET or GATE examination, they have already mentioned, but in biological engineering and chemical they have not mentioned this NET or GATE criteria. Civil same criteria, cognitive sciences also same criteria, computer science same criteria. Yeah, no. For BE, BTech and ME, MTech in computer science, CC or EE, if you have 65% marks, then you can apply. It is for other caste and other caste OBC and EWS, and relaxed by 5% for SC/ST and physically disabled candidate. Humanity and social sciences, it is 55% for other caste and relaxed by 5% for SC/ST candidate. Earth sciences, if you have MSc in geology, geophysics, remote sensing, geography, natural sciences or related subject with 60% marks or relaxed by 5% for SC/ST and PD candidate, then you can apply here. And you must have must be CSIR NET or Inspire fellowship or GATE qualified or MTech, MPhil in geology, earth sciences, geophysics, environmental sciences, remote sensing, GIS, geomatics, hydrology, civil engineering or related subjects with 60% marks, then you can apply here. Electrical engineering, they have set the criteria for 65% for other candidate and 5% relaxed by for other candidate, means for SC/ST and PD candidate. Mechanical also they have keep it 60% in BE, BTech, ME, MTech or MS or equivalent degree in mechanical engineering. Then material engineering, all same criteria. Mathematics, it is same 60%. For physics also it is same. So till now, if you have already applied in various institutions and if you have not shortlisted or not selected, then it is a good opportunity for you to apply in this special round. Maybe you will get seats here and get all the stipend which is set by MHRD. So it's a good opportunity for you. So that's all about today's video. If you have liked it, then share it with friends who want to apply in PhD in this special round. Thank you, and also share, subscribe this